So hi guys, today this is how I cut my nails. I'm gonna get exposed.
Yeah, you're gonna get exposed.
No.
Okay, just be careful. Hey, not yet. Not yet. Your hair there. Oh, careful. Your hair. Mm. Mandy, not yet. My God, so arts. Wait, Mandy, just trust me.
Look, I get look.
Oh my God, so arts naman. Come on. It's not yet. Let's make it quick. Just let's show them that you are good. Hindi, not yet. For real? See, done. Tell them, so guys, make sure to cut your nails.
Make sure to cut your nails. Don't make it long like my tata. Her nails are
Because
super duper long.
What's gonna happen if their nails are long
You will get injury. You're not gonna have nails anymore.
and the dirt is coming inside?
And don't lick your
Yes.
nails. And do not eat your nails like
Very good.
because that will go to your tummy.
Okay, still good. So this is about nails. Nails and
And I'm also getting exposed by 4K.
what? What are you? Careful, Mandy. I'm not yet done. We're almost done. Ay, arte naman. Oh, ay. We're almost done. You're here.
I want to watch now, come on.
We're almost done. What else are you gonna tell them?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna get exposed and I'm gonna cry.
Wait,
No, Papa, it really hurts, please. Just move on
My
to the
God.
next one. No, moving on.
we're almost done.
Move
We'll finish it. There's still a sharp one, oh. Okay? You just trust me, okay? Oh, Mandy, for real.
That's enough, that's enough, that's enough!
So this is how we are every time we are cutting Mandy Paddy's nail, guys. Nails. Come on. Let's make it finish na po. Oh my God. Not yet, Mandy. No, it's not. Oh, there's still some sharp.
Are we gonna cut by here, this one? Right here?
Yeah, maybe. No, maybe
No.
only here.
Okay.
Oh my God. Boo! Good. Good job.
This one is sharp, this one is not sharp. Look at the difference. Look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh no, the other one.
I will get injury if you don't.
Oh my God, not yet, Mandy.
Please, Papa, please.
Oh my God, don't act. Guys, Mandy Paddy is acting.
No, I'm not.
Is this natural? Hey,
No, please, no.
come on, let's just finish it. I will take a bath na po, oh.
Guys, he also get exposed. He still didn't take a bath.
Oh my God, yes.
Who got exposed in 4K?
So, for this, in order for this to be successful, you have to trust each other. You have to trust me. The cutter. The nail cutter. Boom. 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 Hear that? ASMR. Boom. Boom. Okay, a little bit more. Wait. Alright, I think there's nothing. Alright, that will be enough. You alright? Mandy Paddy's focus here, guys. So,
That I can watch.
so that she can watch immediately before I have bad news. We don't have more internet. My internet has expired, but you can still play your bow. You tell them, make sure they're gonna cut their nails.
Make sure you cut your nails.
There.
My
Wow,
God, this is scary.
hey, it's not scary. You chill. Alright. Alright. Almost done.
Please, I'm trying to focus.
Wait. Almost done
This is
na.
really for real. This acting is real.
Yeah, I know that. It was because you're doing that every time. Trust me first, okay? Oh, yo, no, don't pull. Don't pull. Come on, we're almost there now, oh. See that? Hear that? Boom. Another one, the last one, boom. Check, and all good. Alright, guys, bye, that's it.
Hi! Good thing I
You tell
didn't
them we're gonna cut
cry.
it there. We're gonna cut there, but that's it. Right.
Papa,
Show your
really?
nails. Let me see your nails. How can we see the nail? Okay, that's it.